the behind this, or why angel is at above the man? Why man is the of Allah and Allah is all creation? So what's the reason for this?
Now for this, we need what actually it was, because I didn't make this down. I just photocopied it for you. It's actually made by the Khalsa themselves. In their scheme of things, the angel, which is that if most of the people who are good people, we can always tell them, you know, some person came and help you in dire need in times of need, oh, and you're an angel. You know, that the angels are not able to commit sin. But they're like also like animals are locked into their natures. God has ordained a certain nature and they're locked into their natures. Man has, which is a fallen human being, has been given the ability that has also been given a certain nature, which is to know God, the essential nature that man is a wanted of God, which is when we transcend the angels. That's when Gabriel stops and the prophet goes up. And so, but that again, it is that has that person, the man, has he transcended himself, which is what he can claim to be superior, and which is remains angelic, and it is also the test of our salvation. That, and I think here, I'm sure that the one understood that, but they somehow could be able to do it. But the exact opposite of that, perhaps I want to make this chart a bit more coherent, because they had the word Satan also right below that. It's the inverted scheme of things.